Introducing the world's first omnidirectional underwater drone. Fifish V6 leverages its patented smart thruster array that fully unleashes the user's creativity to explore and film without limits. The V6 can also rotate in 360-degree flips, rolls, and pivots. Its innovative posture lock function allows the user to perform a combination of movements while locked in a particular angle. Equipped with an all-innovative stabilization system, Fifish V6 is the ultimate underwater drone. Integrated with all new VR functions and Fifish's head tracking mode, put yourself into the first-person view of the drone and control what you want to see simply by turning your head. Fifish V6.
This is the BW Space. BW Space is the newest and most improved underwater drone from Youcan Robot. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it has the ability to capture 4K video at 30 frames per second and take still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. With 7 hours of total dive time, 100-meter dive depth, and a max speed of 2 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. With state-of-the-art active tracking, it can follow your subject automatically. And with dual powerful LED lights, you'll have no problem navigating in the darkest of conditions. Live sharing makes it a breeze to share with your friends. With the click of a button, the whole world can tune in to your adventure. And with the BW Space in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.
This is the Gladius Mini underwater drone, your window to the underwater world. It can dive down to an amazing 100 meters deep and propel faster than 2 meters per second. It can rise and dive vertically just like a real submarine and can inspect objects at an adjustable 45-degree angle. With 2 hours of battery life, you can relax and not feel rushed. And because the Gladius has 5 stabilizing propellers, you can record extremely smooth video even on preset angles and depths. You can view crystal clear sea life through its 4K camera. You can explore the deep ocean and reach where you never reached before. It can be easily controlled through your smartphone, and with our intuitive remote steering control, you can use VR goggles for a more immersive experience. You can share up to 3 devices using Wi-Fi, as well as connect to a big screen TV via HDMI. You can even live stream on YouTube and share instantly to Facebook so that all your friends and fans can join in the fun. The Gladius Mini is small, portable, and great for families, photographers, content creators, and adventure geeks. An underwater world awaits you. Where would you take your Gladius?